Hello and welcome. This is Master Rasaji, and this is the Tuesday edition of Rasaji Speaks. Thank you for returning today. I hope you had a good rest. Let's see what the title of today's lesson is. The power of sound, how our voices heal and protects us. The power of sound, how our voices heal and protect us. Well, Shabda, Sanskrit for sound or celestial music, right? Shabda, right? Shura Shabda Yoga means the yoga of the sound current, right? Yoga of light and sound. Yoga means union of or yoke of light and sound. Sharat in Shabda. Sharat in Shabda. It's interesting mantra, right? One of our students I call Shabda. Yeah, that's right. It's great to be with you today because in that sound, in the vein and tones, like it's very powerful. Om Nanayimvayre Olavai Inamanavadi O Kiranamari Tomari Om Nayise O Inamana Ingalali Boli Onina Wale So Amale Se Amale Hinanamatio Omanari Se Amale Omanari Se O Omanari Se O Omanari. Amazing what the ancient tones will do to you. Om. Om. The power of the sound. It's amazing. Stay tuned. Soon you'll be seeing a real treat coming up in the store. If you go to thecircleofchi.com, Master David's going to be putting up a composition of his pieces of music. He's been playing for well over 45, 50 years. And when you've been training in Tai Chi Gong for over 35 years and playing music for over 45 years, man, the sound will set you free. Set your shorat, your soul free. In our souls, we are free, free indeed we shall be. Barakabashai to you and to your glorious family. Can't wait to see you tomorrow on the hump day for the latest of Rasaji Speaks. God bless you.